Hello, so I'll be testing test 2 part 1 exercise 1. An object have velocity of 10 meters per second and a mass of 1 kilogram. After some distance, the object have mass 1 kilogram and velocity 100 meters per second. So A is telling us to find the work done by the particle. So from A to B, it will be 1/2 mass velocity of a final squared minus 1/2 mass velocity initial squared. So it will be 1/2 mass of 1 kilogram of 100 is the final velocity squared minus 1/2 1 of 10 squared. So all of this comes out to 10,000 over 2 minus 100 over 2 is 5,000 minus 50. So the final work is 4950. So 4950 joules is work. It's 2 fingers. So that's part A. Part B, I'm gonna skip because I don't really know what it's asking us. Can you know what force makes this? Can you know? I'm gonna skip that for now. So C says, can you tell the distance traveled by the body? So we know work is force times distance, or the displacement. And we know our force was 4950 equals mass times gram will be the force times distance. So it's 9.8 times D, 4950. 4950 equals 9.8 D. To solve for distance, that comes out to 4950 divided by 9.8 is 505 meters. D, it's telling us it's saying what it means that the object have kinetic energy of 5,000. So all what that means is just that the kinetic energy is being applied to the environment to move the particle. So energy is being transferred from one area to another.